This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn off comments under a Facebook group post. So as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook group, and make sure you are the group owner or a moderator to turn off comments. So here, and now search for the post you want to turn off commenting. Now tap on this 3 dot and tap on turn off commenting. And now to check, I'm going to my another Facebook account and going to the Facebook group. Here is the post I turn off commenting. So here we can see the comment option disable for this post. So now I can't comment to this post, but I can share this post, I can like this post as well. So this is how we can turn off comment under a Facebook group post. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.